In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech and add emphasis with simple punctuation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to shape a more expressive voiceover using just your words and a few smart punctuation choices. First, head over to the ElevenLabs website. Give the page a moment to load and get familiar with the layout. You don't need to change anything yet. The goal is simply to reach the area where you can paste or type your script and hear it spoken aloud. Next, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Text-to-Speech. This takes you to the main workspace for writing or pasting your script. You'll see a text box where you can enter your lines. Keep your sentences clear and conversational because the voice responds best to natural phrasing. Think about where you want pauses, where you want energy, and where you want curiosity to come through. From here, you can guide the voice's delivery using simple punctuation and capitalization. An ellipsis creates a gentle pause or a sense of suspense. For example, "Let's begin" signals a short breath before continuing. An exclamation point adds extra energy or urgency. "That's incredible" feels brighter and more enthusiastic than a flat statement. A question mark nudges the voice into an inquisitive tone. "Ready to try it?" will typically rise at the end, just like a real question. Capitalizing a word adds emphasis, but use it sparingly so it doesn't sound shouty. "This is very important" tells the voice to lean on very, while keeping the rest natural. A few quick tips can help you get consistent results. Keep sentences concise so the voice stays clear. If you want a longer pause, combine punctuation with short sentences. "Wait, that's it." For dramatic emphasis, try pairing a question with a follow-up exclamation. "Really? That's amazing." If a word needs extra focus without sounding loud, consider surrounding it with commas. This is genuinely helpful. And remember, a single exclamation point is usually enough. Too many can make the delivery sound forced. Once you've entered your text and shaped the delivery with ellipses, exclamations, question marks, and a touch of capitalization, you're essentially done. Review your lines, make small tweaks where the pacing feels off, and refine the tone by adjusting punctuation rather than rewriting the whole script. That's it. Go to ElevenLabs, open text-to-speech, and guide the performance with clean writing and thoughtful punctuation. With a few minutes of practice, you'll get expressive, natural-sounding voiceovers that match the mood you want.